Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to show the speedometer in Waze. So Waze includes a speedometer that can display your current driving speed directly on the navigation screen. So this can be useful for monitoring your speeds without switching to another app. So to turn it on, open Waze and tap the Waze menu or your profile icon that's located at the top left corner right hand, and just select the settings or the gear icon. It's the third option, and now just open the speedo or speedometer option that you can find inside the driving preferences section. So it's right here, and now turn it on. So you may also find additional settings that control when the speedometer appears or how Waze alerts you when you exceed the speed limit. Right, so you can go with show speed limits here when above limits, or you can change it to don't show or always. And here you can go with the speeding threshold, and yeah, so you can go with at speed limits or 5 mph above limits, etc. Also you can turn on and off the alerts at threshold, right? So now just return to the navigation screen, start driving. So your current speed should now appear on the map, and if Waze detects a posted speed limit for the road, it may also display the speed limits alongside your current speed. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.